Welcome back, everyone. Today we discuss the basic meaning of advertising. Before I start and jump on to directly the meaning of advertising, it is very important for you all to have a basic background of marketing, right? So we discuss today what is marketing briefly, what is marketing mix very briefly, and then we study a few definitions of advertising which will introduce you to the concept of advertising and also help you in understanding the subsequent topics. So moving on to marketing. What is marketing? If you ask people, generally they have this misconception that marketing is synonymous to advertising, या marketing का मतलब होता है बेचना, selling, और marketing का मतलब होता है promote करना अपने product या अपने service को. So I would like to start with telling you that marketing is not just about advertising, it's not just about selling or just about promotion. All these things are one part of marketing. Marketing is much more than this. So what is marketing? The shortest way to explain marketing is meeting the needs profitably. So meeting the needs, whose needs? किसकी needs आपको meet करनी है? Consumers की, of course, yes, because you are making products and services for them. But won't you as a business also need to fulfill your own needs uh, to sustain in long run? Yes. So meeting the needs profitably means meeting the needs of consumers as well as producers. So the consumer want good product at low price, competitive price, right? But providing that and earning profit. So needs profitably is the objective of any business. You cannot go on fulfilling the demands of consumer at a loss. You won't be able to sustain in the long run. So meeting the needs profitably, we mean that we have to meet the needs of consumers as well as needs of the producers. So there are various definitions of marketing. I'm discussing one of them, which is given by Philip Kotler, which states that marketing is a societal process. So societal process means it is a process. Marketing is not just one step कि product को बेचना है and वही marketing होता है, and process by which individuals and group obtain what they need and what they want. So now there is a difference between need and want, and the purchasing power or the demand. This is a separate topic and needs to be discussed in detail. um, so you are covering the need and the want. How? By creating, offering, and freely exchanging what the products and the services of some value with others, right? So it is a process, right? It is a process, series of steps are involved, series of decisions are involved, by which you are offering the consumers what they want and what they need. And how you are giving it? By creating and offering several products and services of value with them, right? Coming to marketing mix. Marketing mix is a concept which involves the different kinds of choices the company has to make in the whole process of bringing a product or service to the market, right? Marketing mix is also popular as 4Ps, a term given by E.J. McCarthy. 4Ps is one of the easiest way to understand the definition of marketing mix. 4Ps, the marketing mix, in brief, to understand it in the quickest possible manner, means that you're putting the right product at the right place, at the right price, and at the right time. So 4P's stand for product. First P है product, then second P is price, third P है place, and fourth P है promotion. Now why I am discussing this? Because this is your basic to move on to advertising. So आपका product अच्छा होना चाहिए. Different type products होते हैं, product का life cycle होता है, that all you will study in marketing. Then there are price strategies, how you price your product, right? And then place means deciding your logistics, where all your product will be available, what will be your chain, whether you will have wholesaler and retailers, or you will have direct selling, or you will have intermediaries, right? So that is about place. And then promotion, you have a good product, you have priced it well, it is available all around. And then next comes, how do we as consumer know about your product? For that, the company needs to do promotion, or in the simplest form, if I tell you, communication. So promotion mix is shown in this diagram. You can see there is a target market. Target market means जिस market के लिए आपने product या service बनाया है. So with a single product, you are not targeting the entire population. Again, in marketing, you study segmentation, targeting and positioning. So वो group जिसके लिए आपका product या service बना है और आपने प्राइस किया है, उसको अवेलेबल किया है, अब आप उसको प्रमोट करेंगे या उसको कम्युनिकेट करेंगे अपने टारगेट मार्केट को, राइट? अब प्रमोशन के बहुत सारे टूल्स हो सकते हैं, विच इज़ नोन एज प्रमोशन मिक्स. So generally company uses various methods to promote, a combination of these and many others which are not listed here. As you know, the time evolves and technology evolves, you have different methods. So we have methods like advertising, public relation, personal selling, sales promotion, digital marketing, direct marketing, guerrilla marketing. Now you also have interactive and interacting इंटरनेट एंड इंटरैक्टिव मार्केटिंग, मोबाइल मार्केटिंग. ये सारे हैं आपके टूल्स जिनसे आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, राइट? So you can use either one of them, or you can use a combination of them to promote your product and tell your target market that your product is available at this price and at these places, right? So now I hope you understand why we studied these 4 P's, because we had to go to advertising. Now our focus is only on this part, that is advertising. So let's understand, what do you mean by advertising? So advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. Okay, so when you go through any definitions, we are going to see 4 definitions in this video. So any definition, if you see, will give you a lot of insights about the characteristics or features of that particular topic. So here, as per Kotler, we say advertising is paid form, that is for making an ad, and for putting your ad on any media, you have to pay. It is not for free. Then this non-personal presentation means the company is not directly reaching one-on-one to consumers. It is non-personal. You cannot approach the company and the company is not approaching you. It is through a media that the company is communicating its message to you, right? So non-personal presentation and promotion of what? Of the company's ideas, goods or services. And what is this identified sponsor means? आप किसकी ऐड देख रहे हैं, आपको ये पता होता है कि आप किसकी ऐड देख रहे हैं. Unlike publicity or rumors, which whose source it is difficult to identify, contrary to that, in advertising you can identify कि ad किसने दिया है. So if you are watching on a television ad of some car, you can understand which brand it is or which company it is, right? So you are श्योर दैट जो भी ऐड दिखाई जा रही है वो ये कंपनी ही दिखा रही है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे उसका ब्रांड, उसका लोगो, उसका नेम होता है. अ कंपनी विल नॉट गिव फेक एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन नेम ऑफ अनदर कंपनी. Then another definition goes like advertising is any communication usually paid for, specifically intended to inform and or influence one or more people. So here we add on another feature, that it is a form of communication, we understand, which is paid generally and usually most of the time, right? And it is intended to inform or influence one or more person. So what is here, we add on to the feature that it is the objective there is some objective of advertisement which is generally to inform the consumers or to influence the consumers. Now the definition goes that advertising is controlled, identifiable persuasion by means of mass communication media. Again, it is controlled means that what will be shown in the advertisement, what will not be shown in the advertisement is controlled by the company, right? अनलाइक पब्लिसिटी, जहाँ पर अगर आपकी कोई पब्लिसिटी कर रहा है वो कुछ भी कह सकता है, आप उसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन हैव पॉजिटिव पब्लिसिटी, यू कैन हैव नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी, but when you are showing an ad you will always tell the good points about your product or service in the ad. Why? Because you are controlling it, right, as the company. So it is a controlled persuasion. Why you are giving ad? Because you want to persuade the consumers to buy or persuade your target market to buy your product or service, and it is through mass media. Mass media means with the help of one advertisement you are reaching thousands and lakhs of people. It is not one on one like door to door selling, right? And last definition which we discussed is by Oracle, which states that advertising is paid mediated form of communication from an identifiable source designed to persuade the receiver to take some action now or in future. So in this definition, another feature which we can see is that the ad is given so that the receiver takes some action. See, ultimate objective of advertisement is not just entertainment or not just information, but you want people to buy your product or service. So when I'm giving an advertisement, I want the people to take some action, if not on immediate basis, maybe in future or whenever they buy. So if there may be there, we will study in subsequent videos that there are different type of advertisement. Some may persuade you to buy the product on immediate basis. For example, if I say that there is um, so Independence Day is coming and there is a 2 day sale, so you have to buy the product or service on those 2 days, otherwise that offer will not be valid anymore. But if I tell you, there is a car, I'm launching, as a company I'm launching a car, so you may not rush to buy a car just by seeing that ad. You will buy that car only when you need. So in future, if you need to buy a car, you will remember the features and the details I have given in my advertisement. So that is, we are persuading the consumers to buy our product, to take action now or in future. So I hope with these four definitions you have now an idea as to what advertising is all about. And if you remember these definitions, the next topic, which would be features of advertising, will be very simple for you. And so see you with the next topic soon.